So guys, welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing today? So I'm on the road this morning. I'm headed to the supermarket to get some stuff to buy, and then I will go into the kitchen. So I'm already into the kitchen, guys. Look at this. So I'm going to do some stir fry. So I have chicken breast here, my onion, garlic, and seasoning, pepper, everything is here is frying. And I'm going to cook some stir fry. I love stir fry. In goes my hot peppers. And I love stir fry. So what I'm doing some chicken breast here, which I already cut up, season, and add into the skillet. And let this thing fry. I like my stir fry to be fried and a little bit crisp. That's the way I like my stir fry. So this is a stir fry. You can eat, put it in your bread. You can make a sandwich. You can have it in your roti. You can have it with rice. You can have it with so many different toppings. So in goes my scallion, more seasoning, and let this chicken breast fry nicely here. I will also add some sauce into it, which I'm using the Diana sauce. The Diana sauce is a nice, delicious sauce. It's come in different flavor. So the flavor that I am using today, I'm using the honey garlic flavor, and this will flavor my my stir fry, guys. So in goes my Diana sauce. And this sauce tastes delicious, and it tastes amazing, and it tastes yummy. So I will now let this to fry. I also have some herbs, some fresh herbs that I pick from my garden. And this is my fresh herbs. I have fresh parsley. I have fresh basil, fresh thyme, fresh, everything fresh, scallion fresh. I also have some sweet peppers. So I'm just chipping everything here. All the herbs go into the stir-fried chicken. I'm also adding some rosemary. So everything just chip. I don't need to blend everything. I just need to chip it up, and it will go into this stir fry and in the chicken breast here, and let everything fry and marinate into it to give it more flavor. More seasoning is more flavor. I will now let this to fry. Look at this. So in goes my sweet pepper. Sweet pepper is the last thing I throw because I like it a little bit crisp. Lots of sweet peppers. As I say, you can eat this with bread. You can make a nice sandwich with it. More sweet peppers. I will now mix this up, let the chicken and the sweet pepper marinate together. And just look at this. It smells so delicious in this kitchen. It smells amazing. It smells yummy. I can't wait to try it. As you guys know, I love to try my stuff. I love to try it. See if there is more salt I need, more seasoning. So I'm adding some fresh herbs on top. And this is it, guys. My stir fry is all done, and it's ready to eat. Isn't this look amazing? It look delicious. Hope you all try this recipe. So this is it. Look at this. Chicken breasts with sweet peppers. And this take no time to Coke. This is the Diana sauce that I'm going to use in my stir fry today. So this is the Diana sauce. This is the honey garlic sauce. So as you can see, I'm going to try it. Pour a little tiny bit here. Yummy. It tastes delicious. It will make my stir fry taste yummy and delicious. As you can see, it's the Diana sauce and it's the honey garlic sauce. Just close this thing back. I'm going to add some into the stir fry today. Stir fry. It is so hot right now, but I love to taste. It tastes delicious. It tastes yummy. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you all in my next video. Take care.